Take a pinch of turmeric daily. Unbelievable changes in your body. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever wondered how a simple pinch of turmeric can work wonders for your body? Let's dive straight into the amazing benefits and potential drawbacks of this golden spice. Benefits. 1. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that helps fight inflammation in the body. This can benefit conditions like arthritis and chronic inflammation. 2. Boost brain health. Curcumin has been linked to improved cognitive function and may help in reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 3. Supports heart health. Turmeric can aid in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and supports overall cardiovascular function. 4. Digestive aid. It stimulates bile production in the liver, which aids in digestion and can alleviate symptoms of indigestion and bloating. 5. Skin savior. Its antioxidant properties can help combat free radicals, promoting healthy skin and slowing down signs of aging. Drawbacks. 1. Potential stomach upset. In large doses, turmeric may cause stomach upset or gastrointestinal issues in some individuals. 2. Interaction with medications. It may interact with certain medications, so it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider if you're on medication. How to incorporate turmeric. 1. Golden milk. Mix turmeric with milk and honey for a soothing bedtime drink. 2. Curry delight. Use it liberally in curries and stews for both flavor and health benefits. 3. Turmeric tea. Brew a warming cup of turmeric tea by steeping it in hot water with ginger and lemon. Remember, a little turmeric goes a long way. Whether you sprinkle it in your dishes or brew it into a comforting tea, this humble spice can truly transform your health. Don't just take our word for it. Try it out for yourself and witness the magic of turmeric in action. Like and share this video if you're ready to spice up your health routine with turmeric. Let's spread the golden goodness together.